what's up, guys? Shawn Johnson here. I'm back after a 3 to 4 year disappearance. However, it's 2025 and something has inspired me to get back on YouTube and kick off my channel again. But before I dive into that, if you don't know me, this is your first time looking at my video, or maybe you ran across this randomly, my name is Shawn Johnson and I help part-time entrepreneurs make money from home. So don't forget to smash that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you can catch any videos I do in 2025 and beyond. So let's get back to where I was at and why I disappeared. Well, basically, I just was living life, guys, just living life and enjoying my son. My son now is 11. He's a little older, but during that time of me disappearing, I was helping him develop into a great basketball player. Now, he still has a long way to go, but he has come so far. As a dad, that makes me proud. I was right there with him. I was coaching him. I was helping him, taking him to training. I was just doing a lot of different things, and it took me away from the internet, helping you guys learn how to market, giving reviews about company, showing you what's working now. All the different things I was doing here on YouTube, it kind of took me away from that. But now he's a little older. Now he's maturing into a young man. Now I can kind of take off the training wheels and kind of sit back, be a parent, not be coaching anymore, and just sit back in the stands and watch. And of course I'm a critique because, if you coach them, as a parent, you're going to coach your kid anyway, but it's hard for me to sit back and not say anything when I know sometimes he can do better than what he's doing, or I see something that he doesn't see because I've been here longer than him. So with that out of the way, yes, guys, I've been away doing AU basketball and just helping my son and just living life, being with my family. But now I am back and I want to share with you one idea on this video. Not going to be a long video. This is my first video back and I just want to share with you one idea on this video about having success and making it on YouTube. It's simple. You have to be consistent, right? You're not going to just jump on anything and skyrocket out the air. You have to be consistent. You got to come with a game plan, and the game plan could be wrong. That is okay, but you have to come with a game plan. You have to come with some type of formula or schedule and follow it and be consistent. When I first started having success on YouTube, when I first started shooting videos like way back then, I was doing videos like maybe 1 or 2 a night every week. So you looking at, say, like 5 days out of the week, I might have been doing 2 videos a night. So I done kicked out 2 videos, right? That's 10 things of content I did in a 7-day period. And I was doing it consistently. And then boom, just before I knew about AdSense, just before I really knew about subscriptions and how much important that was and, getting your subs up and all that stuff, I was brand new and I just knew I wanted to generate leads for my business. And I watched another successful entrepreneur climb the scale on the leaderboard just because they was doing videos and they was generating leads and those leads were turning into sales. So I followed the same suit. And I think it took about 30 to 60 days for things started kicking off. But boom, when it kicked off, guys, it kicked off. And why did it kick off? Because I was consistent. I was an idiot on fire. I didn't know anything about it. My videos suck. If you go all the way back to like my very first video, my videos suck, but I shot them. I did them anyway. You can hear all the noise in the background. I think I had a raggedy computer at the time. Again, I did the videos anyway. And before you know it, I started, those videos started working. I started generating leads. I started generating sales. I had my first $3,000 a day. I had my first $15,000 a month. Things really started taking off once I became consistent. I had a plan and I knew exactly what I wanted to do. And that's all I wanted to talk about in this video. I'm back. Be consistent and have a plan of action on what you want to do. And of course, everything is not going to be peaches and cream. Everything is not going to go right when you first start doing your videos, right? You may don't know what to say. Just shoot the video anyway. You don't got to edit. You don't got to do all the fancy stuff. You don't got to have all the fancy thumbnails. You just need to take action because Not taking action is the number one thing to hold a lot of us back, especially here on YouTube, because we got to be perfect. We got to have the perfect thumbnail. We got to have the perfect outfit. We got to have the perfect background. We got to make sure our teeth is brushed. Well, you want to brush your teeth, of course, but you know what I'm saying. I'm just saying you got to have everything lined up to be perfect that you think you do anyway so you can be successful. And that's totally untrue. When I became successful in companies that I joined or things that I did online or videos that I shot, it wasn't because I was perfect. It was because I took action. It was because I did something. It was because I got on my comfort zone, got in front of the camera, and I took freaking action. So if you don't remember anything I ever say again on any video I ever do after this video, just know this. I'm back. It's 2025. I want to help you. And all you need to do is take action, be consistent. And guess what? You'll see the fruits of your labor. So, hey guys, first video back. Wanted to keep it short. Just wanted to tell you where I've been, what was going on with me. And I will see you guys on the next video. Peace and have grease. Take care.